I am Uwe Eppinger. I am third generation owner of Eppinger Group of Companies. We have been in India, in Coimbatore, since 21 years. Our company is going to turn 100 years in this year, 2025. And I'm extremely pleased to be here on IMTEX. It's not the first time. We have been participating since many years, and I'm happy to show you around. Our company is helping our customers in mainly automating their production processes. We started off with making tooling, tool holders for machining centers, lathes, expanded our product range into servo gearboxes for all different kind of machines in all different kind of industries. And we are now completing the range with what we call a smart line of rotary tables for machine tools. Being a manufacturing company ourselves, we understand the significant need to drive automation and robotization. So all our product ranges, they are tailored to help our customers to automate the production. Whether it's the rotary tool holders, whether it's the rotary tables, or whether it's the servo gearboxes. The rotary tables, they stand out as being the only solution in the market with showing smart components, helping our customers to very significantly control their production process. The future plans of the company, of course, are based on continued growth. We have been growing rapidly on the globe, but particularly also on the Indian market. We are currently adding a third plant in Coimbatore, which will allow us to significantly expand our capacity in the area of automation.